I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Before we talk about Bitcoin, I've got a 40x gem pick AI banger. It's a new coin. So there's some risk involved. This thing could go up only. I can build a very bullish case. And when I think about these small cap altcoins, right? $3 million market cap. I know that this coin sold out all the pre-sales. So there's interest in it. Based on their graphics, all their partners are stacked. Like, they potentially are putting together an amazing project. And I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Okay, so let's run through Bitcoin. Bitcoin weekly chart. Bitcoin's bullish. We're above 31,800. Just keep holding that level. The Bitcoin bulls have slowly been working to the upside. On the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, Bitcoin's been slowly working higher. Technically, this is a rising channel, but during strong bullish moves in Bitcoin, you'll see these rising channels break to the upside. On any type of pullback, you're gonna have a bunch of buyers jump in. They miss this Bitcoin move. And again, Bitcoin just continuing to work in this range. Gem pick banger. Yesterday, I gave you guys OBI. So I posted in the group first, and we made about 45%. The goal here, because this is part of the moonbag idea, where I want to have a spreadsheet of coins that you can hold. There's a lot of parts of me that I'm just not the best holder. But I've got to make a commitment to hold some of these small caps and just forget about them. We're so early on in the game. The most important thing in life, as far as success goes, is you have to continue to grow. And so where I am putting my focus right now is I want to hold. You just cannot trade. With what I have going on, I can't trade all the time. It just doesn't, it's not going to happen, right? So I have to hold some coins. Obi. Right, so you get this initial 45% pump when it was posted in group. You guys remember we talked about this yesterday, and it had already had about 17% upside, but we got another, almost 30% out of it, right, for you guys. And so again, Obi is long-term hold material. The most important thing that I need to explain to you guys is you're going to have a lot of volatility, right? This bull market is very long, 2 years, right? We're looking for the Bitcoin to sell off, bear market, potentially the top of Bitcoin to be October, November, December 2025, right? So this is not up only forever. This will help you guys take profits. And the point is, like with these picks, they're going to pump. There's a pump factor when I talk about them on YouTube and Twitter and in the group. People buy them, right? Sometimes they sell off and you'll get better entries. However, we have a couple thousand traders that would love to trade these moves, and they do, right? And so you get these explosive moves to the upside. And hey, and once it settles down, you could potentially find a better hold position. Right. However, there's tons of these coins. I've got the Moonbag group. And again, that's my team that helps me find and pick these coins. And there's so many that they just take off. I talked to you guys about TAO the other day. Let me pull up the chart for TAO. And this is a very bullish coin. I'm seeing a bunch of big influencers talking about TAO. And I mean, this thing is, and it's got our marks on it from when we talked about it, right? We wanted a pullback, and it just, essentially formed this bull pennant and is just continuing higher. I mean, this TAO would be great to get a pullback, but look at what this coin's done. Let me zoom out real quick. Sorry for all the scribble, but this was me talking about, hey, it's great. You're going to get some type of pullback, right? Coming in at 102. $102 or $87 is great, but you see, you just had a very shallow retrace. And then here it goes, almost $140, right? And so these coins, these new coins, these AI coins, like they default when the market's bullish, you don't always get the entries you want to, right? But Obi is part of the Moonbag group, and it's trying to put in a rounded bottom. We talked about it yesterday, and I got a lot of thank you DMs, for the 20-25% gains most people got on average out of OBI. And still long-term upside, quite possible, right? You want to see 40x coin pick, there you go, OBI. Now, the leverage trading group, we're killing it. This person, 30x gains on one trade, 3,000%. This person, 2,200%, right? He 22x his money. Leverage group is killing it. If you want to join the spot group where we're posting moonbag picks, we're posting, we nailed INJ, we nailed Link, we nailed so many of these coins, it's crazy. All you have to do is shoot me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Right now, the prices are cheaper than ever. Group or no group, we're going to make sure on the channel you guys make a ton of money, right? We're nailing banger after banger on these leverage trades. But here's the Moonbag Group mission statement. And again, this is just my team that's working with me. Our goal is to uncover the hidden gems in cryptocurrency, the low cap coins that hold immense growth potential for the long term. We want to identify fundamentally strong coins amidst the vast crypto landscape, and it's a challenge, like finding these coins, right? You find the perfect fundamentals, but then you got to use charts to nail the best entries, right? This is a huge hurdle. Like, there's a lot of work, and I've been waking up early and just researching coins, right? But all this brainstorming that we're doing with the limited number of very successful, I mean, we have some millionaires in this group that have made a ton of money as far as these small caps go, right? So we're trying to refine fundamental ideas as far as investment goes. We're trying to introduce promising coins to the group. Obviously, you'll get some on the channel as well. We're looking at AI, gaming, GameFi, decentralized finance, decentralized science, real world assets, SocialFi, metaverse, play to earn, move to earn, other hot narratives, right? So we think that we can essentially it's like a meeting of the minds, and it's amazing because we've got so many successful people that are just tossing ideas around, and some of them I didn't put out and they took off. And I'm like, Chris, okay, you've got to make a change because these guys are nailing bangers and you just got to start putting it out there, right? Some of these coins are going to take off and some of them are not, right? And so you've got to use the technical analysis ideas that we talk about and ride these coins. Like, the bull market is about to be crazy. The AI narrative, I've picked a lot of AI coins personally, and Open Fabric is another one of them. So this is a layer one for artificial intelligence. They're building a planetary scale network for connecting decentralized AI applications. Now, listen to this. They successfully launched on ChainGPT, Engine Starter, Pools Finance, and Seedify. They sold out. They sold out, right? All the pre-sales sold out. Now they're live on KuCoin and PancakeSwap. Remember, if you're in the United States, you've got to use PancakeSwap in order to get these coins. That's just how it is right now until this thing gets put on some tier one exchanges and it explodes. But there's a person who's 250 followers, 250,000 followers on Twitter, and he said the testnet is going to be released tomorrow, which is today. They have a public team, right? So they're not anonymous. Certic audited them. They've got 50 plus AI apps. The mainnet is coming. What do we know about the news? We're not even to the mainnet. Like, the ride to the mainnet will give tremendous amounts of upside. Where's the best entry? We'll have to determine that with the charts. Now, there's some immediate upside just based on the chart I'm going to cover in a second. So they've got a list of backers, which is huge. And like you said, they've been audited by Vechain. They're onboarded. Certec has also analyzed the coin, right? They've been audited. Now you've got all these backers behind this project, right? So they have a ton of bullish ideas. Whenever I look at these coins, I'm like, hey, if I can build bullish idea, everybody else can too. And they just launched their testnet. The mainnet is coming, right? So over time, the mainnet run up will be amazing. Open Fabric, decentralized AI platform, the collaboration between AI innovators, data providers, businesses, infrastructure providers. It's going to facilitate the creation and use of new intelligent algorithms and services. This right here was pretty mind-blowing to me. So this is Open Fabric, OFN. I'll go over the chart in a second. You got all these new apps coming. So these are some of the apps. They've got an Art Fabric AI bot. They've got a Meme Fabric AI bot, QR Fabric AI bot, Sound Fabric AI bot, Trading Crypto bot, and this medication discovery as well. But all these available soon, available soon, available soon. They've got all these AI bots and different generators and scripts and so many AI, face recognition, deep fake finder, animation creation, media enhancer, graphic editor, 50 plus apps coming to OFN. So you've got, again, a doxed team on this. They're not trying to hide. It's always a red flag when, if you see a coin and they can't even show the team, like question mark. But the idea is OFN on KuCoin. It's a new coin. It's just got launched. Now you're in this falling wedge. You just broke out with some volume, right? This thing is consolidating right below the 200 SMA on the 1 hour, right? But this is on KuCoin. You can also pick it up on PancakeSwap. But just on the basis of this breakout idea, right? As long as Bitcoin doesn't do anything crazy, you can see a move up here to about 19 cents initially. This is at about 12 cents, 12 and a half cents now. So that would mean you've got potentially 56% upside just based on this one move. Now, as far as a hodl idea, right? You want to build a base. Let me find a coin with a good base. Okay, here it is. And this is a moonbag pick as well, AKT. It's on KuCoin and the DEXs. Okay, you see this base down here? This is what you want. But these KuCoin picks and some of these small caps, man, they come out of the gate and they're sought after. I'm very, very comfortable giving ideas of long-term holds after you start to see this base. AKT has this breakout of this bull pennant and then immediate upside. And now it's rounding and it's slowly working higher right now after it back tested this previous resistance. So on a technical level and the fundamentals that I've researched, and I covered this coin with you previously, like this coin has tremendous amounts. I mean, like 40x coin, here you go, AKT, AI. I've been focused on AI. This thing is going to take off, right? But right now, just getting started is OFN, Open Fabric AI. The new coins that are listed on these exchanges, a lot of times, maybe they start out on MEXC or KuCoin, and then they get listed on some bigger exchanges. Imagine this thing gets listed on Binance later on. All right, now hold on. Now this is to be fair. When AKT was new, look what happened. Right, way back in 2020, October, the new coins have a hype factor, and look what AKT did. Initially, it ran from 28 cents all the way up to $6.50. I mean, this is just something to understand where OFN could potentially just take off up only. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.